Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to cut text out of shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, step 1, click the magic wand tool, select text, multiple selection, tolerance 32, select tab, modify, expand to pixels. Then press Ctrl Z, duplicate text. Okay, and remove text. Right click, fill, content error. Press Ctrl D. Okay, and step 2, remove text. Select the brush tool and select the text. Color palette, background. Then move. And step 3, select the text group layer. Double click, cut text. That's it. Thanks for watching video.